Well, ma'am, how can I do you?
Boy, my brake light don't work. That one up there. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Fix it.
You know, I get it. How boring a brake light video must be. Okay, let's see if we can get this baby working again. This is easier than you think. You see this great big panel on the inside of the tailgate? You can literally grab it with your fingers and pull it and it will come off. You see? Simple. You're probably best to take the whole thing right off. There'll be 3 little rubber grommets behind that panel. You can literally pop these out with your fingers. In each of them 3 holes, you'll see a little silver clip. All you've got to do is get a flat bladed screwdriver and just give it a push and you'll hear it click. And that's it popping out. So we'll pop all 3 of our clips out. Now you're going to have to lower the tailgate back down. And you can literally just pull that out with your fingers now. And we can just unclip this wiring. This is an LED unit, so if the LEDs or the circuit board is bollocksed, there's not a lot you can do about it apart from change the whole lamp unit. But if you've got a slightly older one of these transits, even a 2017 model, you'll probably find in the back here there's 1 bulb. You see these lamp units that have the bulbs fitted, there'll be a little holder in the back and the bulb will just pop into it. Really easy to fit. And you see the bulbs we have fitted in these tail lamps are Lucas LLB 921s. You'll see it's a 12 volt, 21 watt capless bulb. And I should say the majority of transits out there actually have this bulb fitted in that centre brake light. And of course, while these new LED units, they're going to last bloody years without any trouble at all. I can tell you now, these bulbs prolifically blow. So I guess I better put it back together then. Plug your wiring in, and then just slide it back into its aperture and you'll feel it clip into place. Done. And don't forget to fit your 3 rubber grommets. You'll notice this trim panel is a combination of clips and studs to locate it. But when you are refitting this panel, take note of these lugs on the edges. So you see how them lugs would locate up into that hole. Job's a frigging good un. Of course, there is actually nothing wrong with the LED centre brake light in this Transit. I disconnected it a few days ago for 1, to get the van down here so I could make this video in the first place, and 2, just so I could tick her off. Cheers. Oh, here we go. Ma'am, it's fixed. In actual fact, it was really easy.
Well done. Here. Now go phone someone who gives a fuck.